Hathi Gumfa inscription gives account of which of the following rulers? A. Asoka. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Kharvela. D. Samudragupta. Correct answer is C. Kharvela. Which of the following sites of Indus Valley civilization, a clay model of plough, has been found? A. Rakhigdi. B. Banwali. C. Kalibangam. D. Mitahal. Correct answer is B. Banwali. The phrase Satyamev Jayate is mentioned in which of the following Upanishads? A. Katho Upanishad. B. Mandukya Upanishad. C. Chandogya Upanishad. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Mandukya Upanishad. Who is called the father of Indian archaeology? A. Robert Sewell. B. John Marshall. C. Colonel Mackenzie. D. Alexander Cunningham. Correct answer is D. Alexander Cunningham. Who composed Rasratnakara? A. Sridhara. B. Madhvakar. C. Nagarjuna. D. Nothing from what was just mentioned. Correct answer is C. Nagarjuna. Who was the discoverers of Indus Valley civilization? A. Daya Ram Sahni. B. V. S. Agrawal. C. Lord Woolley. D. A. L. Basham. Correct answer is A. Daya Ram Sahni. Which of the following wrote his commentary on the Manusmriti? A. Visvarupa. B. Bharuchi. C. Medhatithi. D. Yogloka. Correct answer is C. Medhatithi. Who was last recognized king of the Gupta dynasty? A. Ashoka. B. Vishnugupta. C. Samudragupta. D. Bimbisara. Correct answer is B. Vishnugupta. Which lake of Gujarat was built as an artificial reservoir by Mauryas? A. Sudarshana. B. Loktak. C. Pushkar. D. Lonar. Correct answer is A. Sudarshana. Which among the following is the oldest dynasty? A. Maurya. B. Gupta. C. Kushan. D. Kamva. Correct answer is A. Maurya. Which Veda deals with magical hymn or charms of spell? A. Rig Veda. B. Samveda. C. Atharva Veda. D. Yajur Veda. Correct answer is A. Atharvaveda. Which of the following books is based on astrology? A. Romak Siddhanta. B. Aryabhattiya. C. Hora Shastra. D. Brahma Siddhanta. Correct answer is C. Hora Shastra. Bagh painting of Gupta Empire was found in which of the following Indian states? A. Bihar. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Kalinga was situated between A. Godavari and Krishna. B. Mahandi and Godavari. C. Mahandi and Krishna. D. Krishna and Kaveri. Correct answer is B. Mahandi and Godavari. Who was the first Indian astronomer to calculate the time taken by Earth to orbit the Sun? A. Aryabhatta. B. Ved Bhatnagra. C. Bhaskaracharya. D. Bishu Devtampi. Correct answer is B. Bhaskaracharya. Which rulers built the Ellora temples? A. Chalukya. B. Sunga. C. Rashtrakuta. D. Pallava. Correct answer is C. Rashtrakuta. The Rathas of Mahabalipuram, the rock-cut architecture, were built by a king of the dynasty of A. Chola. B. Hosla. C. Pallava. D. Rashtrakuta. Correct answer is C. Pallava. Which area of India was known as Avantika in ancient times? A. Awadh. B. Ruhelkhand. C. Bundelkhand. D. Malwa. Correct answer is D. Malwa. Which area of India was known as Avantika in ancient times? A. Awadh. B. Ruhelkhand. C. Bundelkhand. D. Malwa. Correct answer is D. Malwa. Which of the following Vedas provides information about the civilization of the early Vedic age? A. Rigveda. B. Yajurveda. C. Atharvaveda. D. Samaveda. Correct answer is A. Rigveda. Who were the first kings to issue gold coins in India? A. Mauryas. B. Indo-Greeks. C. Gupta. D. Kushans. Correct answer is B. Indo-Greeks. Ashoka called the third Buddhist council at A. Patliputra. B. Magad. C. Kalinga. D. Sarnath. Correct answer is A. Patliputra. Who was the first known Gupta ruler? A. Shri Gupta. B. Chandragupta. C. Ghatotkacha. D. Kumar Gupta. Correct answer is A. Shri Gupta. Nalanda University was a great center of learning, especially in A. Buddhism. B. Jainism. C. Vaishnavism. D. Tantra. Correct answer is A. Buddhism. The dockyard has been found from which Indus city? A. Lothal. B. Harappa. C. Rakhigdi. D. Chanhudarong. Correct answer is A. Lothal. The first Tirthankara of the Jains was A. Arishtnemi. B. Parshvanath. C. Ajitanath. D. Rishbha. Correct answer is D. Rishbha. The Great Bath was found in A. Mohenjo-daro. B. Kalibangan. C. Lothal. D. Harappa. Correct answer is A. Mohenjo-daro. Name the last Tirthankara. A. Siddhartha. B. Silbhadra. C. Parshvanath. D. Mahavira. Correct answer is D. Mahavira. Where was the capital of Shashanka? A. Karnasuvarn. B. Lakhnavati. C. Samtatta. D. Tamralipta. Correct answer is A. Karnasuvarn. Which metal was unknown to the Indus people? A. Bronze. B. Gold. C. Copper. D. Iron. Correct answer is D. Iron.